The emerging Galaxy S24 leaks are gaining credibility, shedding light on previously unsubstantiated details. These leaks corroborate crucial details such as color selections and memory configurations for the anticipated Galaxy S24 lineup, slated for an early 2024 release. Arsène Lupin, a mysterious source, recently disclosed 2 screenshots on X, formerly Twitter, purportedly sourced from a prominent mobile network operator or retailer's database. The unveiled images outline 28 potential models across memory and color variations for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. This leak provides substantial validation, confirming earlier hints on memory and color options. Remarkably, the leak suggests that 8GB RAM and 128GB storage models will persist in 2024, potentially aimed at maintaining competitive pricing without compromising ambitious sales targets. As per the leak, the proposed model variants are as follows. Samsung Galaxy S24 will have the following configurations with the following colors: 8GB RAM and 128GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. 8GB RAM and 256GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus will have the following configurations with the following colors: 12GB RAM and 256GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. 12GB RAM and 512GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the following configurations with the following colors: 12GB RAM and 256GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. 12GB RAM and 512GB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. 12GB RAM and 1TB storage in gray, black, purple, violet, and yellow. Expectedly, all models and storage variants in 2024 will feature the same palette of 4 colors. However, additional color choices exclusively available through Samsung are also anticipated. Which variant and in what color would you buy? Let us know in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.